All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I've been rocking one of the best cases for an Apple Watch that I've used in a long time, and probably any device if they can make this style for it. This is Supcase Unicorn Beetle's latest case, Supcase's latest case from the Unicorn Beetle series, and it is the Seal case, and it basically has a rugged style with a magnetic band, and I am absolutely loving this. This is borderline Magsafe for your wrist. It's that good. This is a strong seal on here. Really been loving this, man. I can't even tell you now, because rugged style cases on my devices, I'm okay with it, but something about this one, it doesn't feel as bulky because I don't feel as restricted with how easy it is to adjust the band. And it came in just a simple packaging here, like we know from Supcase. Very simple, straight to the point. Pop off your other band and pop this one on. It slides in nice and easy. Full instructions there. You cannot mess this up. But yeah, this is the packaging that it came in. So nothing fancy on the packaging, but in fact, this is a phenomenal watch band. I didn't know how I was going to feel about this. I had some reserves about it because it is an Apple Watch and it is a rugged band, but there's a lot going on here and a lot that I could appreciate because you now get a nice lip around the edge here, and you get some serious protection for bangs. Now, if you're like me, I tend to bump every time I'm wearing one of my smartwatches, I tend to bump it up against something going in and out of the doors. I tend to run into stuff for some reason, and it always hits right on the watch. If you don't remember, I've cracked some of my watches before on the edges from bumping my wrist up against something. So this watch here with the magnets on it is super strong. Now to adjust, you can just slide it in or out like that, make it bigger. It is just so simple and easy, and it just works, man. I love it. I can adjust the size on the fly like that. Now again, if you see how easy it comes off, you can see my watch just falls into place, and you can see the ports and everything that's cut out around here. I'm really impressed with this watch band, man. There's one thing that I don't like, and I think you might already know what it is, but I'll get to it in a second. But here's how it looks on this side with the button cut out. It is a big area here. This would have been something that I would have liked to have seen more of a not as big dip in that area, but I know they're doing that because you have to be able to adjust the dial and things like that. So I understand they had to make that sacrifice by making that cut out a little bit bigger, but the button is textured. And then on this side, again, you have the speaker cutouts and everything there. So around on this side, you can see the watch just kind of falls down in there, and it stays put obviously because it's on your wrist. Now you're going to say, Jay, what is the one thing you say you don't like about this watch band? Well, it's obviously going to be that it doesn't lay flat. And when I'm charging, I lay it on its side like this when I'm charging, and I just let the charger go down inside like that. But that's not nothing that's too bad. That's a small thing, really. It doesn't even bother. And the reason I'm not griping too much about it with this particular band opposed to their other bands that they have is because it's so easy with the magnets to adjust this. This is just beautiful, man. This is beautiful, and it's such a nice, and these magnets are super strong, man. You can see how it adjusts there. This is what it's going to be like for you when you decide to buy this watch band. And the watch band is actually, after recording this video, on sale. You can get it in one day with Prime for 15 bucks. This is a nice watch band. And again, adjusting it is so simple with one hand. It's just, you put it on and then you size it down more snug if that's what you want. So there it is, man. The Seal from Supcase and the Unicorn Beetle series. I recommend this watch band. I mean, I know it's just a watch band, but this is actually pretty nice. Nice silicone band, nice protection, and your watch is now secured nicely on your wrist. And again, how easy it is to make the adjustments. I'm loving it. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, I am that excited about a watch band.